Hadsa nahi hatya. That's what the incident, I beg your pardon, is being called at the coaching center that saw 3 lives being lost due to flooding. And this is happening in the national capital. Shreya Yadav, 25-year-old from Uttar Pradesh, Tanya Soni, 25-year-old from Telangana, and Nevin Delwin, 28-year-old from Kerala. They were all civil service aspirants, now dead, murdered by senseless indifference, leaving behind hapless families. Now, in fact, action has begun and bulldozers have reached the site. Bulldozer action post killer apathy. Bulldozers to bring down the illegal construction. On your screens right now are visuals of the bulldozers that have reached the coaching center. With Priyank joining us live on the broadcast. Priyank, looks like they were waiting for a tragedy to happen. Action being taken now. Bulldozers on site.
Yes, certainly, Swati, the bulldozer action has begun. Certainly, what people have been saying that this should have been done much earlier, but at least the authorities have woken up. These are the visuals of the drainage, the illegal construction of the drainage being removed by the MCD's bulldozer. So, Sati, you can call it that MCD has finally woken up there. They have initiated an action. The logic which is being given by them is that because of the illegal construction on the drainage, they could not clean the drainage system. The silt could not have been cleaned, and because of which the water logging issue persisted here. Let me show you what is the exact reason because of which they are initiating this bulldozer action. We are moving towards a location where this incident happened, and we will show you that how this particular area has totally been covered with illegal construction work on the ground. This is a building which is adjacent. You can see that because of this, the drainage could not have been cleaned. This is what MCD have been saying, and same kind of situation is also there on the other side. That's why the MCD officials have come here with these bulldozers. We'll be keeping you on the visuals that Ashwini will show you the visuals of the 2 bulldozers which are being working here. But suddenly after 3 days, the authorities have woken up. Bulldozers have been brought here so that the illegal construction on the drainage could be removed. But it is a fact that over the period of time, the authorities have been sleeping. The construction work which is there on these drainage is clearly showing that these work was not done. These work were also done by the Public Work Department, because this is not the kind of construction which would have been made by the owners here. So why were they sleeping? Why they could not realize that a big disaster could be happening because of no cleaning on the ground. Here on the ground you can see that after the deaths which has happened, the MCD officials have come here and they are trying to remove the illegal construction right opposite to these big famous coaching institute which has been the main hub of UPSC aspirants.
Absolutely, Priyank, but is this going to be restricted and limited to only the coaching center where the tragedy took place, or are the authorities now going to take action against all the illegal construction? Because, continuously you're talking to students who keep saying that not just the coaching centers, there are a lot of residents there who use their basements as libraries.
Yes, the unofficial data shows that there are approximately 400 to 500 coaching institutes or the private library which has been operating in this area, where the libraries are working without the legal approval. Most of them have removed their signboards. But Swati, you're absolutely right. Looking at the action early Monday morning which has been initiated by MCD at this location, starting from the point where this tragedy happened, starting from the point where the media cameras are placed, is certainly showing that it is a photo opportunity for the MCD officials to save them. We already know that the Delhi police have already summoned those MCD officials who were part of maintaining the drainage management system in this area. The FIR also mentioned that there are government officials whose liability should be fixed on the ground. But nothing was done till the time these 3 unfortunate deaths happened. Nothing was done before these deaths could have happened. And now, starting this operation, this bulldozer action from the location where the media cameras are placed, is clearly showing that there is a clear attempt to shield what they could not do.
these 3 students. एक दशक से आम आदमी पार्टी दिल्ली में सत्ता भोग रही है, लेकिन दिल्ली वासियों के लिए कोई काम नहीं कर रही। अध्यक्ष जी, पिछले 2 सालों से नगर निगम यानी एमसीडी भी दिल्ली सरकार के नियंत्रण में है, दिल्ली जल बोर्ड दिल्ली सरकार के नियंत्रण में है, ड्रेनेज की सफाई दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के दिल्ली सरकार के नियंत्रण में है, लेकिन इन्होंने ना अपग्रेडेशन करी है ना डिसिल्टिंग करी है नालों की। एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात इसमें कहना चाहूंगी, ओल्ड राजेंद्र नगर में जो हुआ 22 जुलाई 24 जुलाई 2 दिन से लगातार वहां के स्थानीय विधायक, वहां के स्थानीय पार्षद, वहां के अधिकारियों को लगातार स्थानीय निवासी इसकी शिकायत कर रहे थे। विधायक जी व्यंग तो कर रहे थे, लेकिन उन्होंने कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया। मेरा आपसे निवेदन है कि गृह मंत्रालय से अनुरोध करती हूं कि एक जांच समिति बनाई जाए, जहां पर ये जो दिल्ली सरकार जो केवल प्रचार प्रसार और भ्रष्टाचार में लिप्त है, इसमें इंक्वायरी बिठाई जाए। दिल्ली की नालों की सफाई क्यों नहीं करी जाए? दिल्ली जल बोर्ड चरमराती हुई व्यवस्था में क्यों है?
Sir, I have just visited the hospital. I've just visited the hospital and met with the uncle of the boy from Kerala who unfortunately lost his life on the weekend, sir. It's a shocking situation, and I have to say that when you have a brilliant student, all the dreams of serving the nation through taking the UPSC exam have been shattered, and the hopes of the family have been shattered, sir. This is a matter which obviously calls for compensation, but no compensation can be enough for the tragic loss of life of a young man cut short in his prime, sir. Now, there are a number of serious issues that need to be addressed, as the previous speaker has pointed out. There is, sadly, a level of violations of basic norms when it comes to building codes, fire safety, flood safety, and so on. That is rampant in the city. The corporation also has responsibility on this. So wait, I have seen in the hands of a journalist a certificate of clearance issued on the 9th of July, sir, by the corporation, allowing these people to do what they're doing, saying they're in compliance. Now, this kind of thing will have to be corrected, sir. At the same time, drains have to be cleaned and choked and clogged. Sir, let me just finish. The most important issue, and I say this on behalf of the family also, is to prevent such future tragedies. For this, there has to be a comprehensive inquiry, but there also has to be very specific steps taken to ensure that no other parents coming to our national capital from various parts of the country suffer this kind of loss and tragedies. Sir.
इनका केरल का विषय था, इन्होंने उठा दिया। पप्पू यादव जी,
सवाल इस देश की बच्ची का है या केरल या बिहार? तानिया हमारे बिहार की बच्ची थी, हम अपनी बहन को बता देना चाहते हैं। मिडिल क्लास की एक बच्ची तानिया, जिनकी मौत कल हुई है, परसों। और मेरा आग्रह इसमें 2 है। मैं ना बीजेपी और आम आदमी पार्टी की आलोचना में पूरे देश के बच्ची जो 60% बिहार के एसएससी यूपीएससी करने आते हैं या बाहर कोटा, लगातार हमारे कोचिंग, अध्यक्ष महोदय, लगातार कोचिंग का मानक गाइडलाइन गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा नहीं होना, सुरक्षा की व्यवस्था नहीं होना, और एक घटना नहीं, अध्यक्ष महोदय, 1 मिनट, एक बार घटना नहीं घटी है। बार बार ये चर्चा आपके माध्यम से उठता है, आप इसको संरक्षित करते हैं, लेकिन इस पर
माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, ये बहुत ही दर्दनाक घटना है, और इस घटना में जिस तरह से पानी उसमें गया, बच्चे निकलने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। आपने भी देखा होगा वीडियो।
आप तो विषय क्या है बता दो आप।
मान्यवर, आपने भी देखा होगा वीडियो।
आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं?
मैं उसमें
अखिलेश जी,
जुड़ता हूँ मैं, बहुत गंभीर समस्या है, और जो घटना हुई है दर्दनाक घटना है। यूपीएससी के स्टूडेंट जो तैयारी कर रहे थे, आखिरकार प्लानिंग और एनओसी देने की जिम्मेदारी तो सभी अधिकारियों की है। अध्यक्ष महोदय, जिम्मेदार कौन है, उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई क्या हो रही है? नंबर 1। दूसरा, ये केवल एक विषय नहीं है इलीगल बिल्डिंग। हम तो यूपी से अध्यक्ष जी देख रहे हैं, जहां इलीगल बिल्डिंग बनती है वहां बुलडोजर चलता है। क्या कहिए, सरकार बुलडोजर चलाएगी कि नहीं चलाएगी?
विजय कुमार दुबे।
धन्यवाद महाराज, माननीय अध्यक्ष जी। माननीय अध्यक्ष जी,
आपके माध्यम से
विजय कुमार दुबे
जी धन्यवाद माननीय अध्यक्ष जी। आपके माध्यम से मैं खेल कूद मंत्रालय का ध्यान आकृष्ट कराना चाहता हूं कि जिस तरह से हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने इस देश में खेल और खिलाड़ियों को लगातार प्रोत्साहन देने का कार्य किए हैं, जिस तरह से इस देश का सम्मान खेल कूद से जोड़ने का कारण आज अभूतपूर्व सफलता इस देश ने प्राप्त किया है, चाहे ओलंपिक्स गेम हो चाहे एशियाड गेम्स हो।
आप
निरंतर
आपकी बात कहे हैं क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं?
खेल कूद
हाँ तो बात कहे ना, आप लंबा भाषण मत दें।
नहीं जी, खेल कूद में निरंतर स्वर्ण पदक प्राप्त किया है।
All right, so the issue of Delhi apathy, the issue of the 3 students losing their lives in the basement of a coaching center due to flooding was raised in the parliament. Bansuri Swaraj hit out at the Delhi government, blamed the Delhi government over tragedy. She also requested that an inquiry committee should be set up so that people who are responsible should be punished. Bansuri Swaraj, they're also asking some very pertinent questions. Why was desilting not done on time? Slamming the Aam Aadmi Party government in the national capital. Shashi Tharoor also spoke on the issue, said this is a shocking situation. Compensation should be given, although no amount of compensation is actually going to be able to help the family, come off or overcome this grief that they've been met with. Certificate of clearance was given by the corporation. He's questioning the role of the corporation as well. We have Priyank on the broadcast. Priyank, this issue has just been raised in the parliament. Akhilesh Yadav says this is a shocking incident. He's also asking what action has been taken against the officials, because Akhilesh Yadav says the permission, the clearance comes from the officials.
Yes, Sati, he's absolutely right, Swati, because the officials need to be taken to the task, because the manner in which they have been clearly flouting norms is clearly a picture which has taken life of 3 individuals. This coaching institute is right next to the Delhi police picket, so obviously the Delhi police team could have also noticed students going in the basement area. If that is not also the case, how is it possible that the fire department could have given an NOC knowing the fact that this particular building was operating commercial activity in the basement area? Then comes to the role of MCD officials, who is Sati at fault in this particular case, because there was no proper maintenance of the drainage system which was done by them. There was no proper check which was done. And what is happening right now is an eyewash before the officials and the public, where these bulldozers have been brought in, knowing the fact that this is a very prominent area where many of the officials and many of the government officials would have moved from this location. Right now they are saying that they are removing the illegal construction on the drainage. The drainage system is not working according to them. The drainage system was not clearly visible. Look at the bulldozers here. 2 of the bulldozers which have been brought in by the MCD officials are removing these illegal construction, which is certainly not looking new. These are the construction would have been there, made with the help of the public welfare work department. The public work department would have been aware, because these kind of tiles construction is certainly not what normal individuals or the builders would have constructed. There was a clear-cut connivance, but right now, to show their activity, to show their quick and swift action, the MCD officials have come here with these bulldozers. The political parties are certainly raising these issues right now. We just heard that the member of parliament from Bharatiya Janata Party, from the Congress Party, as well as Samajwadi Party, all the 3, and the Pappu Yadav himself being an independent one, has raised this issue before the parliament. Till how long they will keep on fighting for the justice of these 3 innocent lives which has been lost is a big question, because time and again what we have seen that these things are momentary. They come, they talk, no action is taken, and once again the disasters do happen.
Absolutely. All the MPs who spoke are seeking accountability, are also asking what measures have been taken so far. Now, in terms of arrests, Priyank, arrests have happened. 2 MCD officials have been suspended as well. All of this happening after 3 students lost their life. If action would have been taken on time, or if permission or clearance would not have been given by the corporation, this could have been avoided.
Yes, Swati, because the waterlogging was not within few minutes, Swati. It was there since multiple hours. The pumps should have been brought in. The water should have been pumped out from this location. But what it is happening that this area being an area which is comparatively a few feet below the Metro Construction Road, the main road which connects the national capital to the West Delhi, the central Delhi to the West Delhi. This area was not taken seriously. Then you have the connivance of the government officials, then the building owners who have been paying some sort of money and trying to fill out the norms. Since morning we have been observing that multiple of these institutes are removing the chairs which was there in the basement area. So it is a fact that the commercial activity was being run, it was ignored, and certainly the area which should have been there for some sort of storage area or for the parking was used for the construction work. But on the ground, certainly talking about the live action, the action is regarding the eye wash which is being done by the MCD.
There was violation of the basic norms. Nobody kept a check clearly. Priyank, stay on with us. The bulldozer action that you're showing